Quality and experience are necessary when you need a safe and reliable underground fuel storage tank solution. Modern Welding is the largest steel tank manufacturer in the United States, with nearly a century of experience fabricating durable, above-ground and underground storage tanks. Modern tanks include the Glass-Steel 2, a UL 58, and UL 1746 listed. Underground fuel storage tank, which is the safest and most cost-effective underground secondary contained fuel system on the market. The Glass-Steel 2 comes with a primary steel tank, a fiberglass reinforced plastic secondary jacket for secondary containment, and a corrosion barrier, which is separated by an interstitial space allowing monitorability of the secondary tank system. With cutting-edge products like the Glass-Steel 2 underground fuel storage tank, Modern Welding has consistently pushed the industry forward as America's #1 steel tank manufacturer. With utilization in major C-store chains and airports around the globe, the Glass-Steel 2 is highly customizable and compatible with gasoline, diesel, jet fuel, avgas, fuel oil, ethanol, and biodiesel fuels. Choose a steel manufacturer that redefines safety. Choose Modern Welding Company. Visit modweldco.com to see a full list of our products and to find a subsidiary nearest you.